Hey guys, so what's going on YouTube? I know it's been a while since I last uploaded a video on YouTube. I haven't kept busy lately in my regular job. So I'm working as a software developer from home right now. So this video is another demo of one of the applications which I created using Vue.js. So it basically uses NUXT Js, which is a server-side rendering framework in Vue.js made on top of Vue.js. So let me walk you through what this application does. So it basically utilizes an open source API database for all superheroes belonging to Marvel and DC universe. So you type in a name here. Let's say, for example, I type in Batman and I click on get character details. So I don't know why this is taking a lot of time, even though my internet connection seems to work fine. So you have a few data here from the API. So it seems multiple versions of Batman exist, and I guess this one in the middle is the main Batman, Bruce Wayne, as we all know him. Uh, so uh, so you have few information. I guess you have some information regarding Batman, like gender, race, height, weight, eye color, hair color, and work under. You have occupation. The occupation of Bruce Wayne is businessman and base. Okay, not important. Connections. So, what affiliations? I mean, what groups does this superhero belongs to, or Batman belongs to? So you can see here, Batman belongs to Justice League, Batman Incorporated, Outsiders, Wayne Enterprises, of course, and you can see the relatives, list of known relatives of Batman. So Thomas Wayne, father, Alfred Pennyworth, former guardian. So let's come to biography now. So under biography, you can see his full name is Bruce Wayne, and Alice's place of birth, first appearance, publisher, alignment, aliases, alternate names, insider, matches, Malone. I didn't know that. So under power stats, we have intelligence 100. Strength obviously is going to be on lower side because Batman just at the end of the day is a normal human being like us, except he's incredibly rich. Okay, so let's now check out for some other heroes. How about a hero from Marvel Cinematic Universe? Let me type Spider-Man. So you have to get the names of the heroes right. Like if you omit hyphen here, it won't search because Spider-Man exists like this inside this database. So we have okay, multiple versions also exist for Spider-Man. So same set of informations which we earlier saw for Batman. So let me come to the coding part. So okay, let me uh, go through what libraries I used for this application. So I have used NUXT.js like I earlier mentioned. It's something which does server-side rendering of single page applications. What it allows you is the, a lot of things like routes, store, and a lot of other things are already configured for you. I have deleted a lot of things. I mean, uh, when I created this project, when I downloaded Nuxt.js framework, it had layouts folder, middlewares folder, store folders, all were included inside this project, and all had a README file. So since I didn't require them for this project, I simply deleted them. And what other packages do I have used? I have used Axios for fetching API. I've used Bootstrap classes for quick CSS styling. And what else? So these are the components. I have created a component for each of the sections. Which remember we saw five sections here. Like if I enter Superman, five sections of information like appearance, connections, biography, power stats, and work. I have created components for each of them, and this env file contains API key. So this API, let me go to the markdown file. So this API is superheroapi.com. So this is basically the API which I am using. It's free, but you got to have an API key to access these endpoints. So it's an awesome API. I would definitely recommend this. So now coming back to the application. Uh, okay, now let me open uh, my GitHub repo. Okay, so this is my GitHub repo, and let me go through. I just uploaded this, I mean updated this project around 5 hours ago. So this is the project, and by default it runs on port 3000, and there's a screenshots. So okay, I changed some CSS styling. So these are the screenshots which I took earlier. So okay, basically that's it. Okay, so that's it for now, I guess. So in case you like this project, please feel free to give a start to this. I think this is an ideal project which you can use to start with to learn the basics of NUXT JS. Nothing fancy. So okay, I guess I'm done with this video at this point. So I think this is a good time to close this video. So see you again with next time some another project with source code, and maybe I would think of doing a complete project-based tutorial in tech stack, which I prefer. So definitely look forward to that in the future. So yeah, with that being said, take care, stay safe, and have a nice day. And please like and subscribe to my channel. Okay, goodbye.